Good morning, everyone. Join your hands and close your eyes and be ready for the morning prayer.
तूने हमें उत्पन्न किया, पालन कर रहा है तू, तुझसे ही पाते प्राण हम, दुखियों के कष्ट हरता है तू, तेरा महान तेज है छाया हुआ सभी स्थान, सृष्टि की वस्तु वस्तु में तू हो रहा है विद्यमान, तेरा ही धरते ध्यान हम मांगते तेरी दया, ईश्वर हमारी बुद्धि को तू श्रेष्ठ मार्ग पर चला। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्, धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्, धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
Welcome to the special assembly for Dashera. To begin this special assembly, we have Ananya from class 8 who is going to tell us about the festival of Dashera.
दहन पुतलों का नहीं, बुरे विचारों का करना होगा। श्री राम का करके स्मरण, हर रावण से लड़ना होगा। सुप्रभात आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, अध्यापिकागण व मेरे प्यारे साथियों। मैं अनन्या कक्षा 8वीं की छात्रा हूँ। हमारा देश भारत विश्व में अपनी प्राचीन इतिहास, संस्कृति व ज्ञान के कारण जाना जाता है। उत्सव व पर्व हमारी संस्कृति की पहचान है। हमारे सभी त्योहार बंधुत्व व मानवता का संदेश देते हैं। इन्हीं त्योहारों में से एक त्योहार दशहरा, जिसको प्रत्येक वर्ष अश्विन माह की दशमी को मनाया जाता है। दशहरा बुराई पर अच्छाई की जीत, असत्य पर सत्य की जीत का उत्सव है। इस त्योहार के साथ कई धार्मिक व पौराणिक मान्यताएं भी जुड़ी हैं। पौराणिक कथाओं के अनुसार इस दिन माँ दुर्गा ने महिषासुर नामक दैत्य का वध किया था। इस दिन भगवान राम ने दुष्ट रावण का भी वध किया था। समस्त भारत में इसे दुर्गा पूजा, विजयदशमी व दशहरा के रूप में मनाया जाता है। 9 दिन रामलीला के मंचन के बाद रावण के पुतले का दहन करते हैं, जो काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, हिंसा, अहंकार आदि का सूचक है। किंतु आज के परिवेश में हम त्योहारों को केवल परंपरा के रूप में मनाते हैं। इन त्योहारों से मिले संदेशों को अपने जीवन में ग्रहण नहीं करते। वर्तमान समय में देश भ्रष्टाचार, बेईमानी, हिंसा, आतंकवाद आदि समस्याओं से ग्रसित है व समाज में नैतिक मूल्यों का पतन हो रहा है। इस अवसर पर हमें अपनी बुराइयों को त्याग कर अच्छाइयों को ग्रहण करना चाहिए, तभी यह दिन सार्थक सिद्ध होगा। इन पंक्तियों के साथ मैं अपना भाषण समाप्त करती हूँ। हे राम अवतरित हो जाओ, हे कृष्ण अवतरित हो जाओ, इस जग को राह दिखाने को, इस जग में फिर से आओ। धन्यवाद।
Next, we have a conversation between Mehak and Nancy from class 8 who are discussing about the significance of Dashera and why it is celebrated.
Hey Mehak, how are you?
Hello Nancy, I'm fine. What about you?
Really well.
just waiting for the upcoming event, that is Dashera.
Oh yes, it will be too much fun. But do you know why is it celebrated?
Yes, Dashera signifies the victory of good over evil. Hindu mythology says that on this day, Lord Rama fought and eliminated the demon king Ravana. Thus, the outcome is of light over dark, truth over lies, and good over evil. People's beliefs may differ, but they celebrate the very same essence throughout the country on this very day. But I'm not aware why goddess Durga is worshipped on this day.
Yes, I know it very well. Some traditions believe that goddess Durga removed the demon Mahishasur from the earth on this day. That is why she is worshipped.
Oh, I didn't know that. People celebrate Dashera with immense enthusiasm. They enact the battle that took place between them for about 10 long days. This dramatic form is known as Ram Leela. I love it. Even the people in North India enact out Ram Leela by way.
Oh yes, the people show mesmerizing performances. The spirit and zeal remain the same throughout the festival. They make giant-sized effigies of the three demons like Ravan, Meghnad, and Kumbhakarna. They are then filled with explosives, and a man plays the role of Lord Ram and shoots fiery arrows at the effigies to burn them. This event is carried in an open field with thousands of spectators.
You are all the way correct. You know, children will enjoy this festival the most.
Yes, they'll receive many blessings, dressings, toys, and tasty sweets and food. Yum!
But instead of all, the most important thing is that this festival unites people. The audience is filled with all walks of life, not only the Hindu religion. It also teaches us that the good will always trump the evil, and that light will always conquer the dark.
How incredible it would be! Well, I have a lot of work to do right now for the Shara. You're also having. Bye for now.
Bye! I will be meeting you tomorrow. Right now, a lot of fun to do.
Next, we have a group of students from class 6 to 8 who will tell us about the Ramayana, great epic.
Good morning, everyone. You all must have heard the story of Ramayana. Ramayana is an ancient Indian epic composed sometime in the 5th century BCE. Ramayana tells us about the exile and then return of Ram, the prince of Ayodhya. It was composed in Sanskrit by the sage Valmiki, who taught it to Rama's twin sons, Lava and Kush. It consists of nearly 24,000 slokas and is divided into 7 parts. Ramayana is one of the largest Indian epics in the world literature. Ramayana is still popular today. Every character and every development in the story is a valuable lesson for all of us. Let's see what does each character of Ramayana teaches us. The character of Ram, son of Ayodhya King Dashrath, teaches us
Perseverance and the path of truth brings victory.
the character of Sita, wife of Ram, teaches us never give up in any situation. Be courageous and be determined. The character of Lakshman, the character of Ram, teaches us be a loyal brother. The character of Urmila, wife of Lakshman, teaches us sacrifice your life for the sake of others. The character of Hanuman teaches us be passionate and serve with dedication. The character of Ravan, the king of Lanka, teaches us
When destruction is near for a person, the wisdom of mind is lost.
the character of Meghnad, son of Ravan, teaches us
Be an obedient son.
we should try to imbibe these values to illuminate our lives. Thank you. Happy Dashera.
Dashera Navratri are incomplete without Garba dance. So to keep the spirit of festive season alive, we have Garba dance. Let us watch the Garba dance. Next we have from class 3 to 8 various art and craft for the occasion of Dashera. Let's take a look at them. Let us watch the story of Ramayana by students of class 3 and 4.
राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम।
नहीं राम नहीं, मैं तुम्हें इस वेश में नहीं देख सकती। मैं तुम्हें वनवास नहीं जाने दूंगी।
माता, मुझे रघुकुल रीत निभाने के लिए 14 वर्ष के लिए वनवास जाना ही होगा, नहीं तो अपने कुल पे कलंक लग जाएगा। मुझे यह वचन भविष्य के लिए सिद्ध करना ही होगा। रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए।
मैं राजा दशरथ का पुत्र, श्री राम का अनुज भ्राता, माता कौशल्या का दुलारा, सुमित्रा नंदन लक्ष्मण आपको प्रणाम करता है वन के देवी देवताओं, जीव जंतुओं और समस्त प्राणियों, मैं मैया सीता को आपकी शरण में छोड़कर जा रहा हूँ। जब तक मैं और मेरे भैया श्री राम लौटकर वापस ना आ जाए, तब तक इनकी रक्षा करना। जय श्री राम।
मेरा नाम है रावण, मेरा नाम है रावण। लंकापति रावण। सीते, राम नहीं आएगा। मैं रावण। हे दुष्ट रावण, तूने मेरा हरण करके अच्छा नहीं किया। आकाश से लेकर पाताल तक कोई मुझे छू भी नहीं सकता। मैं पतिव्रता हूँ, तू अपना मान मुझसे हटा ले, वरना इसी पाप की आग में तू जल कर अपनी स्वर्ण लंका के साथ भस्म हो जाएगा। धन्यवाद। मेरे प्रभु राम आएंगे, अवश्य आएंगे। मेरे राम, मेरे राम, मेरे राम, मेरे प्रभु राम आ गए। मुझे क्षमा कर देना प्रभु, मैं आपको पहचान नहीं पाई। मुझे क्षमा कर दो प्रभु। जय श्री राम। हे प्रभु श्री राम, मैं आपके चरणों का दास हूँ, मुझे आप अपने चरणों में ही रहने दीजिए। उठो मेरे प्रिय वत्सलगण, तुम्हारी जगह मेरे हृदय में है।
सजा दो घर को गुलशन सा, अवध में राम आए। लगे कुटिया पितुले सी, लगे।
Let us listen the Hindi poem recitation by Yana of class 5th.
आदरणीय मुख्य अध्यापिका जी, अध्यापिकागण और मेरे प्रिय साथियों, मैं याना कक्षा 5वीं A की छात्रा आपके सम्मुख एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। अयोध्या के राजा दशरथ थे, 3 रानियों संग रहते थे। राम लक्ष्मण भरत शत्रुघ्न इनके 4 पुत्र थे। लेकिन आया एक दिन ऐसा, कैकेयी माँ ने वनवास दिया, भरत को सारा राज दिया। सीता के संग राम चले, लखन भी उनके साथ हुए। एक दिन काटी जिसकी नाक, उसके भाई का लंका पर था राज। हनुमान को गुस्सा आया, रावण की लंका को जलाया। सीता को लाने चले राम, सारे राक्षस मार दिए। दशानन का शीश उड़ा, सीता लाए राम छुड़ा। धन्यवाद।
Now we have Hansika from class 5th B to recite a shlok.
कर्म फल यदा चरित कल्याणी, शुभ वा यदि वा शुभम, तदेव लभते कर्ता कर्म जता लवतमम। अर्थात मनुष्य जैसा भी अच्छा या बुरा करता है, उसे वैसा ही फल मिलता है। कर्ता को अपने कर्म का फल अवश्य ही भोगना पड़ता है। धन्यवाद।
Dussehra is a festival which symbolizes the victory of good over evil. To sum up this true essence of the Dussehra festival, we have a skit by class 7. Let's watch the skit.
You know, Rupa, the preparation have begun for our school annual day.
Yes, junior section is going to enact the story of Rama.
Radhika would certainly get Sita's role. She's so pretty.
I wish I could get the Rama's role.
You are shorter than Radhika and have a shrill voice. I don't think the teacher will give you Rama's role.
I really want to act in the play. I am sure that once on the stage, I will give a brilliant performance.
Well, why don't you talk to the teacher? She might give you Lakshman's role.
Oh, really? How exciting it would be acting on the stage with a bow and arrow slung on my shoulders. How surprised my parents would be. I can almost hear my father saying, "We have such a talented daughter."
Students, I have something exciting for you today. I'm going to assign all of you certain roles in the play. The story of Rama. Parth, you will play the role of Ram. Radhika, you will be Sita. Ayan, you will be Hanuman. Neha, you will be enact Lakshman's part.
I knew I wouldn't get any role.
I have a role for you too. You will be one of the monkeys in the Vanar Sena.
Can't I at least get the role of Hanuman, teacher?
No, child, your voice is too squeaky.
Won't get even a single dialogue then.
You have to do with 7 other girls of the Vanar Sena is to jump up and down and shout Jai Ram, Jai Hanuman.
Just that much.
Yes, my child. If you perform your role nicely, then I will give you the role of Hanuman next time.
At the backstage on the annual day, everyone is busy dressing up. Enters Chowkidar.
Teacher, Summer asked me to deliver this letter to you.
Application? Dear Madam, I am very sorry to inform you that Alka has contracted measles and has been running a high temperature since morning. Sorry, she will not be able to act in the play. What? Alka will not come? What shall we do? The play, story of Rama without Hanuman? How will we perform?
She looks around in dismay. Her eyes fall on Rupa and says,
Manage it.
Me? Is my dream coming true?
Can you manage it?
Of course, I can.
But a dialogue.
No, but I can always think of something.
No, you shall certainly not do any such thing. All of you have to do is to repeat what I say. And for God's sake, don't mumble. Speak as loudly as you can.
Don't worry, teacher. I'll speak loud enough.
curtain goes up and the teacher pushes Rupa onto the stage. She almost falls on her face. Drums are echoing and her hands and feet are cold. She opens her mouth to say, but she can't remember her lines properly.
My lord Rama, God Rama.
But Rama, I'm your servant. I would gladly die for you.
My Lord Rama, I am your servant. I would gladly die for you.
You have forgotten to pin your tail.
You have forgotten to pin your tail.
Don't be silly. I am not supposed to have a tail. You have forgotten yours.
I am sorry, my lord. I meant my tail. I have forgotten to pin my tail.
Now jump.
Now jump.
You jump, stupid.
The curtain rises. Sita and Hanuman are talking in Ashok Vatika.
Who are you?
I am Lord Rama's servant, mother. I have came to help you.
How can I trust you?
This ring is of Lord Rama's. He asked me to give this to you.
Oh yes, my Lord Rama's ring.
Speak your dialogue now. Speak. My beauty is my bane.
My beauty is my bane. It is because of my beauty that wicked Ravana wants to marry me.
What? Not you. You idiot. He wants to marry me? I am Sita and I am beautiful.
Oh, I mean, your beauty is your bane.
That puny creature. Who dares to intrude into my kingdom?
Speak. I'm the son of Pavandev, the wind god, the worshipper of Rama, the immortal Hanuman.
Who is this foul creature?
No, I am not Hanuman. Don't kill me. I am not Hanuman. See, I am Rupa, not Ayan. The audience rolls with laughter and frustrated teachers come on the stage and drag Rupa off the stage.
Thank you everyone. Happy Dashera. Now you all can join your respective classes.